The UK is at the end of a cycle. I mean, the pricing presently, or even prior to the big Brexit discussions, which wasn't a surprise coming out of it for half a year, the pricing was too high, full stop. And I think a lot of people are taking a step back, using Brexit to breathe, to have a look at the market, look at the fundamentals, and now you have an insecurity if they actually do leave, which doesn't seem that unlikely. Then how's it going to pan out? It's just insecure. Nobody knows what's going to happen. For the continent, I don't see that as much. There, I strongly believe that the capital inflows pushed pricing to a limit, and what you always hear is that now the depth of bidding is different. So now there isn't 10 or 15 bids, but only 5. To tell you the truth, I really don't care if there's 5. There's always some idiot out there paying more than we are. So I prefer the 5 idiots to go away and the 5 sensible people to stay. And that's the difficulty at the moment. There's still enough capital out there, and especially in Germany, where, I'll give you an example. There's a building being sold in one of the big 6 cities, and they've got 20 bids in, 15 of which are above asking, and at a level that I've been doing this for 16 years, I haven't seen before. So either that's the capital going around the UK, or it's just the security capital going in. It's just one of those things that show you there's still enough capital out there. Brexit, yay or nay, the pressure of the whole thing and the cyclicalness of the capital out there is going to keep the market stable, at least as long as there isn't a black swan out there pulling out the economic fundamentals, because they're quite, they're not that stable. They're sensitive at best, and that'll be the risk. If the leasing scenarios and the economic or the consumption on the retail sector or travel, etc., if that gets pulled away, then there'll be an issue. On the other hand, development is quite low, so that's my something that I cling to quite dramatically, to see that rents are at least stable presently, and we're not going to go into a double dip down the line with too much development and a recessionary force taking out the tenants.